Hello, my friends, how are you today? My family have a plant. Well, today we're making something delicious. It's springtime and also I don't know if you knew that, but it's beef month and egg month. So I was thinking, what can I make? So frittata came to my mind. We're making my air fryer mushroom roast beef with veggies frittata. Now for this recipe, you will need basil, sweet peppers, mushrooms, spinach, cherry tomatoes, avocado, eggs, roast beef, and Parmesan cheese. So this recipe is so easy to make and it's delicious, fast, quick, and easy, like we like it, right? So it also has lots of plants because you should be eating plants every day.
What?
Plus, this recipe is great if you're looking to shed some pounds. You know, summer is almost here. This recipe is weight loss friendly because it has lots of fiber, loaded with protein, and these two nutrients can help you feel satisfied and controls your hunger. So here we go. It's a win-win-win-win-win-win. Okay, are you ready? Let's get cooking. So we're gonna start with cracking some eggs. Now we're gonna beat the eggs, and now we're gonna start adding the ingredients. Now we're gonna start by adding the avocado, cherry tomatoes, sweet peppers, basil, mushrooms, Parmesan cheese, spinach, roast beef, and salt and pepper to taste. Make sure you mix all the ingredients well. All right, my friends, now the best part, that taste. Perfecto. All right, so it is your turn to make this frittata. Remember, it's easy and fast, nutritious, and everything you need is on my blog, the recipe, Villacorta.com. Now, if you like what you're seeing, don't forget to please like, share, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next nutrition topic and more recipes. All right, my friends, thank you for watching, and until next time.